Alright, so I was looking around online for a nice cheap condenser microphone to start recording with, and I stumbled across a Neewer NW-800 condenser microphone, and with the phantom power pack being a Neewer NW-100. So opening up the NW-800 condenser microphone box, basically find the microphone, which I thought was going to be more plasticky, but it came out as an aluminum. And the top, I really like the gold braiding on the top with the supports being gold, because I just think it looks really nice for a $20 microphone. And then in the box, we also found the shock absorber mount. That was actually really decent quality. It was metal, and it had these strings up, and it does a really good job. So like if I tap around, you're probably not going to hear it as much as you would if it was just a plain microphone you were holding. So also in the box came a XLR to XLR cable to run in. No, I'm sorry. In the box it came an XLR to 3.5 millimeter cable, and along with this is let me just read off of the paper. Well, on the one side of the instructions, it's just a thank you in a bunch of different languages or something like that. But for those of you who care, it's the directivity is omnidirectional, so you can speak in it from any angle. The frequency response is 20 hertz to 16 kilohertz. Sensitivity is -30 decibels plus 2 decibels. The output, I'm sorry if I'm reading this wrong, I'm not too familiar with it. And that's pretty much all I know. I mean, the current weight, the unit weight is 316 grams, which isn't all that bad. It's a pretty light microphone, but then it comes with the windproof cover, which is basically the cheap little pop filter that comes with it. Some people decide to use it, but I like the more raw look of the microphone being gold. So I actually invested in a $5 pop filter off of Amazon. It was on Black Friday, so I'm sure it's like 10 or 12 by now. It's still not a big investment. But along with that, we have the Neewer NW-100 Phantom Power Pack. And in that set, it comes a little box, and that's the Phantom Power Pack, which you see right down there. And on the back, you have the input and output for XLR cable, and in the box, it comes with an XLR to XLR cable, which I end up having to get another one for my own setup. But anyway, it also comes with a power plug to put it into your outlet. So this setup that it recommends is to put it directly from the microphone to the power pack to the computer. I personally, my laptop does not have the 2 input jacks, so I had to get a Sabrin external USB sound card off of Amazon for about $7, I think, and that allows me to put it in. I tried another wire, but it just wasn't working. So then I got the cable. My father, he gave me one of his old mixers. He's a DJ. And through that mixer, I got the extra XLR cable to plug in from there to the Phantom Power. Oops, my bad. From the Phantom Power Pack. And then the final setup ends up being the boom stand, which you're seeing unwrapped right now. Actually, is decently good quality. It doesn't jolt around all that much, and has springs to sort of keep it in place and keep it taut. But it has the microphone is step 1, that's in the shock mount. That is running an XLR to XLR cable from there to my mixer. And then the mixer I have set up with it outputting a XLR to XLR cable down into the Phantom Power Pack. That's creating enough voltage to get it into my computer without any distortion or any sort of lower quality of sound than the microphone can put out. So from the Phantom Power Pack, I'm running the original wire that was kept with the microphone, which is the XLR to 3.5 millimeter jack, and that's running into my Sabrin USB audio sound card. So that is pretty much it for the unboxing. Later on I put it together, but for the different settings, I would keep this microphone, if you have the mixer and you have the gain right, I would set it around 25. It's not that bad, but let me just read off what I got at Amazon and for the different ways. The Sabrin USB sound card is $7. The XLR cable was $6. The stand was $12.50. The power pack $16.99. And the microphone itself being $19.97. So plugged it into a calculator. The total was The total was $62.46. I had a gift certificate to Amazon for $25. So the final total ends up being $37.46 for the full thing, which is actually really good for the quality. I'm really impressed. And right here that was the setup for the microphone in the stand. I updated it and have the mixer on the left side of my desk and the pop filter coming off of the stand itself. So there you go. That's all you need to know for how much it'll be and how it sounds. So I'm speaking into it right now, so I guess you can decide for yourself if you want it or not. It's pretty good for the price. It's really good for the price. I definitely suggest you pick this up if you're just starting out. All right, so that's pretty much it. See y'all next time.